Warm welcome to everyone. I am Pradap Lakshman, Principal Solicitor, TN Lawyers and Immigration Consultants based in Brisbane, Queensland, in Australia. Today we wish to share certain vital information with the new invitees who have already received invitation to submit the main application for the new visa, MAIDS visa, or subclass 403 visa. As you are all are aware, this is a new visa designed for young professionals from India aged between 18 and 30. The second criteria is that the prospective applicant must have obtained a qualification in certain disciplines from an eligible institution from India. There are 100 institutions, including universities, has been listed as eligible institutions by the Department of Home Affairs. And the students who have studied in those institutions in certain disciplines or they have opted the certain subject for their qualification. Example, renewable energy, 2, engineering, 3, mining, 4, information and communication technology, 5, artificial intelligence, 6, financial technology, 7, agricultural technology. The students who have completed at least a bachelor degree from these eligible universities on these selected disciplines are only eligible to apply for the 403 new visa, MAIDS visa. And also they must be between the age of 18 and 30 and also completed the course within 2 years before the time of application. And so before embarking to apply for the 403 visa, MAIDS visa, everyone should understand that their qualification should be from the particular subjects they have obtained from the eligible institution that have been listed by the Department of Home Affairs. Otherwise, even if you are randomly picked to submit the main application, you won't be eligible to apply. In case you are applying with a qualification obtained from a different subject or from an institution, academic institution, or from an university outside the purview of the listed education institutions by the Department of Home Affairs, you won't get the visa and your application would be refused. So be careful which education institution you are studying and what kind of subject you have completed and when did you have completed your course. These elements are highly important before you are starting for the process of 403 visa. So to avoid confusion, you must go to the Department of Home Affairs website and understand which institutions are included. There are 100 institutions included, are listed, and 18 institutions are from Tamil Nadu, and 11 institutions from Maharashtra, and 8 institutions from Uttar Pradesh, and 7 institutions from Delhi, and 6 institutions from West Bengal, and 4 institutions from Uttarakhand as well as Kerala. And so you must get an idea which institutions are eligible and which qualifications are eligible to apply for this visa. So before going for the next ballot, you must thoroughly go through the department website and understand which are the eligible institutions and also what kind of qualification you need to apply for this visa. Otherwise, you would get confused when you would be invited to apply for the main visa application from the department, because they are doing it randomly picking from the list of the candidates go through the ballot system. So be careful before doing the next ballot. Thank you. And in case you have any doubts on the MAIDS visa, please contact us. Our contact details: TN Lawyers and Immigration Consultants, 34 Central Street, Forest Lake, Queensland 4078. Our phone number 0401 866 578. 0401 866 578. Our email ID info@tnlawyers.com.au. info@tnlawyers.com.au. Thank you.